It pays to focus on solutions, not problems. When things don't go as planned, shift your perspective. Observe differently, respond differently, and watch how the world responds to you. This is not a self-help message. This is a help yourself journey, because the truth is simple. You are extraordinary. Right now, as you listen, your mind is decoding symbols, transforming words into meaning, creating thoughts in real time. You are not just existing. You are conscious. You are aware. You are alive. You are different. You always have been. Different ways of thinking, different ways of seeing, different ways of being. And what if those differences were not weaknesses, but strengths? Imagine a sphere. On its surface, every human ability, creativity, logic, empathy, music, leadership, precision. Now move from the center toward what defines you. Your humor, your intuition, your curiosity. Bit by bit, you arrive at a point that is uniquely yours, your spike. Some struggle with words. Others see numbers like patterns. Some feel deeply. Others build systems. It is not failure. It is wiring. Different does not mean less. Different means unique. Your environment shapes your opportunities. A talent in one place may be invisible in another. A genius in silence may look ordinary in noise, but your potential remains. Waiting. Life will challenge you. You will face confusion, doubt, pain. There will be moments where nothing makes sense, moments where you feel lost. Turn around. Do not walk into emptiness. Walk forward. Walk toward your strengths. Walk toward your healing. Walk toward your growth, not away from pain, but toward who you can become, because you cannot walk both ways. Practice what you are good at. Refine it. Strengthen it. Make your strengths stronger, because excellence is not random. It is intentional. The right environment matters. The right guidance matters. A single voice can ignite curiosity or silence it forever. So choose wisely. Embrace your difference. Be honest with yourself. Know what you are great at. Be optimistic. Be humble. And above all, walk toward your spikes. Because every brain is brilliant.